Okay, I'm Muntad. I'm happy to be here again. Hello to all English learners. Hello to class. Today, I am here to teach about basic sentence structures. Okay, before we go to that, many students question me how to be good at English. I have experienced the two ways that can help you to be good at English. One, you have to put your heart deeply into English. And the second, you have to make a strong decision, to study English. These two ways I have experienced many years to study English. And I hope you understand my meaning and you can follow my experience, and I hope you will be good at English some days, okay? And in order to help you to be good at English, I also have a very special English point for you to study today. It is about basic sentence structures, okay? Basic sentence structures are made of three elements. One, subject, second, verbs, and the third, object. Very, very simple, basics and simple sentence structures in English. Okay, but before we go into details about basic sentence structures, you have to know what does a sentence means. Okay? What does a sentence means? តើ ប្រយោគមួយមានន័យថាម៉េច Okay? So here, a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete thought. Okay? That make a meaningful thought. ប្រយោគមួយគឺជាក្រុមនៃពាក្យដែលបង្កើតនៅគំនិតពេញលេញមួយ Okay? យើងហៅថាប្រយោគ Okay. And you have to know as well the subject. What does the subject mean in a sentence? The subject is the noun or nouns that perform the action, okay, that perform in the whole sentence. អញ្ចឹង subject គឺអ្វីទៅ subject គឺនាមឬក៏នាមទាំងឡាយណាដែលសំដែងឬក៏ធ្វើនៅសកម្មភាពនៅក្នុងប្រយោគ Okay? And next, verb. Verb is an action. It shows an action in the sentence. It plays a very important role in the sentence. Okay, verb គឺសំដៅទៅលើសកម្មភាពមួយនៅក្នុងប្រយោគ បាទវាដើរតួនាទីសំខាន់នៅក្នុងប្រយោគវាសំដែងនៅសកម្មភាព Okay ថាយើងធ្វើអី Okay, you have to know too about object. Object refer to the noun or nouns that receive the action. Okay? អញ្ចឹង object គឺជាអ្វី object គឺជានាមឬក៏នាមទាំងឡាយណាដែលទទួលនៅអំពើឬក៏នៅសកម្មភាព Okay ទទួលសកម្មភាពនៅក្នុងប្រយោគហ្នឹង Okay, so now I'd like you to look at the example on the board. Okay, one example is on the board. Okay, this sentence is made of three elements. Okay, subject, verb, and object. We call it basic sentence structures. Okay. អញ្ចឹងយើងមើលប្រយោគមួយគឺបង្កើតឡើងដោយធាតុ3 Okay, ធាតុ3ទី1 Okay, the first one is here I is the subject of the sentence, the doer or the performer of the actions in the sentence. Okay? And the next one is verb. Verb shows an action. It describes an act. Okay, it describes an actions. And the last one, the last elements to make a sentence is object, right? Object. Object refer to a noun or nouns that receive the actions. Okay. ន័យថាអ្នកទទួល okay object គឺអ្នកទទួលនៅសកម្មភាពពីកិរិយាសព្ទមក Okay, so easy. I hope this example can help you to understand about basic sentence structures. Okay? That are made of 3 elements. Okay. អញ្ចឹងយើងមើល ប្រយោគនេះមួយគឺបង្កើតឡើងដោយធាតុផ្សំ 3 ប្រធាន កិរិយា និង កម្មបទ Okay. Okay, to make you understand more or to help you understand more about English, about basic sentence structures, we just change subject or change verb or change the objects to make new ideas, to make new sentence, to make a new sentence. Okay, so now at the first time, at the first step, we have to change the object first to make a new ideas. Okay, now we change apples to another nouns to get new ideas. Okay, I like apples. So now you can change apple to I like. Okay, I like bananas. Okay, so new object, right? New object, new ideas. I like bananas. Or you can change banana to what? To I like oranges. Okay, I like oranges. New idea again. We get new objects, right? Or you can change I like cats. Okay, I like cats. Or you can change I like rabbits. Okay. Here, you get new, you can change the object and then you can have you can make many sentences by changing the objects. អញ្ចឹង យើងអាចបង្កើតប្រយោគថ្មីបានគំនិតថ្មី object ថ្មីដោយការផ្លាស់ប្ដូរ object ហ្នឹងទៅជាពាក្យផ្សេងៗឧទាហរណ៍ដូចជា bananas I like bananas one sentence. Okay, I like oranges I like cats I like rabbits. Okay, so now I hope you understand how to change the object to get new ideas of the object. So now it's time for changing the verb, right? So change the verb to make new action, right? Okay, so I don't want to use like anymore in these sentences, in this sentence, and then I change the verb like to I eat. Okay, I eat apples. So when we change like to eat, we get new action in the sentence, right? We get new ideas, new actions. Okay, or we can change eat to what? To hate. I hate apples. It means I don't like apples. Okay, or you can change hate to I catch I catch apples. You can say I catch apples. Catch, okay, catch, chap, okay, ប្រែទៅ chap. Okay, or you can change the verb catch to hold. Okay, hold. I hold apples. Hold mean whole. Whole similar to cut, right? Two verbs, similar meaning, synonyms, okay? So we can change the verb here to get new actions. You can make many sentences by changing the verb, right? By changing the verbs. Okay. So now I hope you understand, you get what I teach here, what I show you here. We can change objects, okay? We can change object to make new sentence. Okay, we can make many sentences by changing the objects. Okay, so, and we also can make many sentences by changing verbs. Okay, អញ្ចឹងយើងគ្រាន់តែផ្លាស់ប្ដូរ object វាយើងអាចបង្កើតប្រយោគថ្មីឬក៏យើងអាចផ្លាស់ប្ដូរកិរិយាសព្ទដើម្បីបានប្រយោគថ្មីផងដែរ So now it's time for changing the subject, right? The subject now to get the new performers. Okay, in order to get a new performer, we just change the subject here, right? Okay, I change the subject I. Okay, let's see again. I eat apples, and then I change I to you. Okay, to you. So you get new sentence by changing. Okay, by changing the subject here, right? You eat apples. Okay. Okay, so now change you to what? To we. Okay, we eat apples. Okay, we eat apples. Okay, change we to she. Okay, she eat. Okay, eat we add s. Okay, because she is the third person singular. So the third person singular, when we use with verb, a verb need s or es, right? We call it subject verb agreement. Okay, subject verb agreements. Okay, ដោយសារ she គឺជាបរិសទី3ឯកវចនៈ អញ្ចឹងកិរិយាសព្ទយើងត្រូវថែម s ទៅឲ្យវាឬក៏ es ទៅឲ្យវាអូខេយើងត្រូវថែម s ឲ្យវាដើម្បីឲ្យវាស៊ីសង្វាក់គ្នាជាមួយការយល់ស្របគ្នារវាងប្រធានហើយនិងកិរិយាសព្ទប្រធានឯកវចនៈកិរិយាសព្ទឯកវចនៈដែរកិរិយាសព្ទយើងថែម s អូខេ So now we change she to he, right? Sorry, we change he to we change she to he, right? He eats apples. Okay, then we can change he to eat. Okay, it eats apples. So you can have new sentence by changing subject, changing verbs, or by changing the objects. Really easy, right? So this, we call it basic sentence structures, are made of 3 elements: subject, verb, objects. Okay, so I hope my lesson will help you to improve your English. Okay, so my lesson is at the end, but before stop watching, let's recap what we have learned today. Okay, so today we have learned about basic sentence structure that are made of 3 elements: subject plus verb plus object, right? What does a sentence mean? A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete thought, right? And what does subject mean? Refer to the noun or nouns, okay, that perform the actions. And verb shows an action in the sentence. Object refer to noun or nouns that receive the action, right? Okay, so thank you for your watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Happy English. Thank you.